what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tow truck license in NYC. So first, you may want to head over to nyc.gov, and in the search bar, we're just going to search for tow truck, then just press enter. And from the search results, we're just going to click on DCWP, Tow Truck Driver License Application Checklist link. So just click on it. And the first step is you have to make sure you're at least 18 years old and have a valid New York State driver's license with a W endorsement or an equivalent out of state license plus a certified driving record abstract. And from this page, all you have to do is scroll down. Then first is click on basic license application. And from here, you can download the basic license application by clicking on this link. And from here, you're going to need to complete this application and include all required documents such as two recent passport style photos and proof of age like your birth certificate or driver's license and your license record if you're out of state. You can submit your application online or in person, and all you have to do is click on this link. This will redirect you to another page, and from here you can proceed by logging in or creating a new account. Or if you want to submit your license application in person, you can click on this link for guidelines. So there's a note here that says the following services are by appointment only in the licensing center at 42 Broadway in Manhattan. So this is the address where you can submit your application. And to schedule an appointment, you can reach them out to their email address or their hotlines. Just wait a few weeks for approval, and if approved, keep your license with you while operating and stay compliant. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!